Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you 7th class maths, triangles and its properties. Before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about the proverb that we are talking about. You are who you are around. What do you mean by this, children? I think you might have heard about it. Tell me about your friends, I'll tell what you are. What do you mean by this? Both of them are one and the same. That means you behave just like as you are observing the people around you. So if you are with a good community, you will be having a good nature. If you are with the other way, your nature will be wrong. So children, you will not be having a good nature. A wrong nature you will be having. The reason is you are observing the people who are always doing wrong. So please be careful, children. First of all, you should have uh, a clear idea about what is good, what is bad, in which way I need to go. That idea, if you have, if you listen to your parents, if you listen to your teachers, then definitely you won't develop any kind of friendship with that kind of people. People are of many kinds around us, but we need to select a group of people who can give us a support, who can give us a moral, who can lead us to a good path. So select like that, children. Always be with the good people to become a good person. Let us come back to our studies. Today I am going to talk about sides, relation between the sides of a triangle. So in this, the first one is sum of the sides. What is the property for sum of the sides? Suppose if I have a triangle A, B, C. What is the sum of the sides property, you know? First one, AB plus BC should be greater than AC. That means what, children? Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is the property, children. Any two sides, if you take, first I have taken AB and BC, third side is AC. So AB plus BC should be greater than AC, and if I take BC, BC plus AC should be greater than AB, and if I take AC plus AB, it should be greater than BC. So any two sides, if you take, children, it should be sides in the sense sides measure. They'll be giving so and so side is so and so centimeters. So after they have given, you will be having certain questions, children, whether triangle is possible or not. For that, what you have to do? You have to find out all these three sides, not one set. All the three sets you have to find out. Some may be greater than, some may not be. So the ones which are not greater than, then that triangle is not possible. If you try to construct the triangle, it's impossible to construct the triangle. So any triangle is possible only when it follows this property, sum of the sides property. What is the sum of the sides property? Sum of any two sides of the triangle is greater than other third side. Now the next one is difference of the sides. What is the difference of the sides? So the same triangle, if you take difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Less than the third side. So that means what, children? Same thing if I take AB minus BC should be lesser than AC. AB minus BC should be lesser than AC, and BC minus AC should be lesser than AB, and the third one AC minus AB should be lesser than BC. So these are the two properties, children. If they ask you to find out whether the triangles are possible by using sum of the triangles, you can do for it. Or if they ask you to find out the difference of the triangle property, what do you understand? If you subtract the measure of the one side with that of the other side, the answer should be lesser than the measure of the third side. So when you are adding, that value should be greater than the third side. When you are subtracting, that value should be lesser than the third side. These properties, you should remember, children, these properties are called as sum and difference properties of the triangle. Children, please copy it. Now we will see what else we have in the textbook. Now the next one is, you have got example 1 problem, children. Example 1. What is it? Can a triangle have? Can a triangle have sides with lengths, sides with lengths 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters. 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters. This is the one. Can a triangle have sides? Can a triangle have sides with length 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters? So let us suppose that in triangle A, B, C, one is 6 centimeters, one is 5 centimeters, one is 8 centimeters. Let us suppose like this. Now, first let us find out what is AB plus BC. This is 6 plus 5, that is 11. Now, third side AC is 8 centimeters. So, we know that, therefore, what you can say, AB plus BC is greater than AC, because 11 centimeters is greater than 8 centimeters. Okay, 11 centimeters it is. 11 centimeters is always greater than 8 centimeters. Now let us go for the other side. BC plus AC. BC is 5 centimeters plus 8 centimeters is equal to 13 centimeters, and BC AC I have taken means AB. What is AB? 6 centimeters. So definitely 13 is greater than 6. So BC plus AC is greater than AB. Now let us go to, I taken BC plus AC. Now AC plus AB. What is AC? 8 centimeters plus AB 6 centimeters. This is how much, children? 14 centimeters. And when I have taken BC and what is that? AC and AB, third side is BC. So what is BC? BC is 5 centimeters. So definitely 14 centimeters is greater than 8 centimeters. So we will say that AC plus AB is greater than BC. So all the three properties are satisfied here. So we will be saying that, therefore, it is possible So, can a triangle have, it is possible to have a triangle, to have a triangle with sides. What are the sides? 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. This will be the answer for your children. Please copy. This is example 1. Now, the next one we will see. Exercise 1 you have got, children. Exercise 1. So in this first exercise, you have got 4 bits. Is it possible? Same, is it possible? Problem goes like this, to have the sides of the triangle. First bit, they have given 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So, what you will be talking about? You have to talk about the sides. Sum of the sides, if you take 3 plus 4 or 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. If you want, you can even draw a triangle and find out, children. A, B, C, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So, AB plus BC is equal to 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters, that is equal to 7 centimeters. AC is 5 centimeters. So, we will say that AB plus BC is greater than AC. Why is it? They have given AC is equal to 5 centimeters. AC is 5 centimeters. Okay. Now let us go for the next one. AB plus BC we have done. Now BC plus AC is equal to, BC is 4 centimeters plus AC is 5 centimeters, that is 9 centimeters, and the third side AB is 3 centimeters. So what you can say? BC plus AC is greater than AB. Now BC and AC I have done. Now AC plus AB. AC is 5 centimeters plus AB is 3 centimeters. AB is 3 centimeters is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay. Now AB and AC and AB I have taken. Now BC. What is BC? 4 centimeters. Therefore, AC plus AB is greater than C. So, is it possible triangle? Therefore, triangle is possible. For this bit, you can say triangle is possible. Please copy it, children. Now we'll go to the second bit. What is the second bit? Second bit is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. All the sides of the triangle ABC is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So in this case, what we can see is AB plus BC is equal to 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. What do you, what can you say about it, children? 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters is 12 centimeters. So, what is AC? AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Therefore, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Now, BC plus AC is equal to same 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters is 12 centimeters. BC and AC I have taken means AB. AB is equal to 6 centimeters. So we will be saying that BC plus AC is greater than AB. And go for the third one, that is AC plus AB. This is again 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, 12 centimeters. AC plus AB means BC is equal to 6 centimeters. So we have done AC plus AB is greater than BC. So in all the cases, third side is the sum of the two sides is greater than third side. Therefore, we will say that triangle is possible. This is the second bit, children. Copy it. Now, let us go to the third bit. Third bit, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters. So, let us see. A, B, C, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters. So, AB plus BC is equal to 4 centimeters plus 8 centimeters is equal to 12 centimeters, and AC is 4 centimeters. So, we can say that AB plus BC is greater than AC. Now, BC plus AC. BC is 8 centimeters plus AC is 4 centimeters, that is 12 centimeters, and AB is 4 centimeters. Therefore, we will say that BC plus AC is greater than AB. Now, we will go to AC plus AB. AC is 4 centimeters and AB is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters plus AB is 4 centimeters is equal to 8 centimeters. Now, what is BC? BC is equal to 8 centimeters. So, what are we getting, children? We are getting AC plus AB is equal to BC. See this particular one AC. In both the cases, you are getting one is greater than the other. So, you can say that 12 centimeters is greater than these two, it is possible. But what about the third side? Third side is not possible. It is equality we have got. So, we will say that triangle is not possible. You cannot construct a triangle in this way because all the three cases it should be greater than only. But in this case, two cases it is greater than, but the third one is equal to. We cannot get a triangle in this way. Please write down. Now, let us go to the fourth bit. Fourth bit 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters. So you have a triangle A, B, C. One is 3 centimeters and another one is 5 centimeters, another one is 7 centimeters. So AB plus BC is equal to 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters is 8 centimeters and AC is 7 centimeters. So what you are getting? AB plus BC is greater than AC. Next, BC plus AC. 5 centimeters plus 7 centimeters is equal to 12 centimeters. These two sum is 12 centimeters and AB is 3 centimeters. Therefore, BC plus AC is greater than AB. Next, AC plus AB, that is 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters is 10 centimeters. Then AC plus AB means third side is BC. BC is equal to 5 centimeters. That means AC plus AB is greater than BC. So in all the cases the property is accepted. Therefore, triangle is possible. So with this children, first exercise I have completed. Please copy it. Now I will be doing with the next part, that is about altitudes of the triangles. Altitudes of triangles. Actually children, the meaning of altitude is height. Height in the triangle, we will call it as a perpendicular. A perpendicular which maintains 90 degrees. This is called as altitude. So let us see how is this altitude. What is the definition of an altitude? What is the definition of an altitude? It is a perpendicular. A perpendicular drawn from the vertex of a triangle to its base is called the altitude of the triangle. That is called altitude. This is the definition. Children, if you have a triangle like this, A, B, C. See, this is called base, this is called opposite vertex. So, a perpendicular drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the base. So, from here, if you draw a perpendicular line like this, AD, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, AD is the altitude. This definition you should remember it perfectly well for your future classes also children. I have found most of the students are doing are getting confusion with this altitude. What is this altitude means? Please remember carefully, remember perfectly well that altitude is a perpendicular line. Altitude means height actually. Height is always perpendicular. So it is a perpendicular line drawn from the vertex to the base of a triangle is called altitude of a triangle. So how is this altitude for different triangles? We will see. First we will see altitude for a scalene triangle and for isosceles triangle and obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. See, scalene triangle and isosceles triangle, they have acute angles. This is also is having acute angle. But obtuse angled triangle will be having more than 90 degrees. So scalene triangle means you'll be having a triangle like this with all the three sides are different. So this is the altitude. Okay, for isosceles triangle, isosceles even for equilateral triangle A, B, C, this is the altitude. And for an obtuse angled triangle, this is an obtuse angled triangle A, B, C. For this altitude lies outside the triangle. This line I'll draw by using the scale, children, that will be better. So if you have an obtuse angled triangle like this, for an obtuse angled triangle, the altitude will be outside. So this is A, B, C, and this is D. See, altitude is outside the triangle. So you should remember this, children. So for all acute angle triangle, altitude is inside. What for this both the triangles? For acute angled triangle, whether it is an scalene triangle or isosceles triangle and even equilateral triangle, altitude is inside. But for an obtuse angle triangle, altitude is outside. Outside of the triangle, altitude is there. So please remember this. This is about altitudes of a triangle, children. Complete notes about it. Altitudes means heights, and heights means perpendicular that is drawn, and this is the definition. And where does this altitude lies for various triangles? I have given. Please remember it carefully. Write down. Now, we'll go to the next definition. These two which I am teaching are very, very important for your future geometrical problems also, children. So never forget about this. These are the basics which you need to learn. Next one is median. Median of a triangle. What is the median of a triangle? It is a line drawn from the midpoint of a side of a triangle to its vertex. So, if you take a triangle like this, A, B, C, take the midpoint of base and draw a line. You can write line or line segment. You can take it as segment, line segment. So, this is called as median. This line is called as median. What is this, children? It is a line drawn from midpoint of the base to the opposite vertex. To its opposite vertex, I will write. So for the side, opposite vertex. Opposite vertex. This is the definition of the uh, median, children. Now let me write what are the properties of the median. Altitude means only perpendicular, but properties of median is, first one, it divides the base into two halves. That means what, children? This and this is same. And second point, it divides the vertical angle into two halves. That means even this vertical angle, this is called vertical angle, it is divided into two halves. Why am I teaching you this, children? This is very, very important for your other higher classes geometry. So you should have, when you are having a topic like median, you should know perfectly well about the median. That is why these points I am giving. And the third one, we can even say that it bisects the triangle. What do you mean by this? It bisects. What do you mean by bisecting? Bisecting means it divides. The total triangle is divided into two halves. When you fold upon the median the triangle, if you draw a triangle upon a paper and fold it exactly upon this line only, it gets folded. So it is the one which bisects. So when it is bisecting, it divides the base into two sides, it divides the vertical angle also in two sides. Okay. Now, median for isosceles, isosceles and equilateral triangles. When you talk about median for isosceles, isosceles means a triangle in which two sides are equal, A, B, C, in which two sides are equal, and equilateral triangle, a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. For this, when you see the midpoint and join the midpoint and the opposite vertex, in both the cases, it is median as well as altitude. So this is not only altitude but also the median. You can make it like this. So for isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, this is equilateral triangle. For both the triangles, median and altitudes are one and the same. What do you mean by this? This line is called median as well as altitude. Both. In both the cases. These two are called median as well as altitude. What for? For isosceles triangle and for equilateral triangle. Altitude and median are one and the same, but for scalene triangle. For scalene triangle means a triangle in which no two sides are equal. This is scalene triangle ABC. Can name this as a D, children. So median means midpoint. This is median and this is altitude. So for scalene triangle, median is different, altitude is different. This is considered as median and this one is altitude. So remember only one thing, children. For isosceles and equilateral triangle, median and altitude are one and the same. You need not have any two different lines for it. But for scalene triangle, median is different, altitude is different. So this is the notes about median and altitudes of the triangles. Children, please copy. Now we will go to the second exercise. Now let us see what is the second exercise. Exercise 2. So in this, you have got a triangle given to you, children, in the first problem. A, B, C are the triangles, and in this they have given one like this, AE, and another one like this, AD. Now what is AD? First bit, AD is the dash they have given, and second bit they have given as AE is the dash. So what is AD, children? AD is median, because from the midpoint it is a scalene triangle, what I have explained to you earlier. For scalene triangle, median and altitude are different. So AD is median and AE is altitude. So this is the answer for first one, children. And the second one, name the triangle. It goes on like this. What is the question? Name the triangle in which two altitudes of the triangle are of its sides. Two altitudes of the triangle are of its sides. That means what, children? See, if you take a right angle triangle, let us take A, B, C. So it has got two altitudes. Actually, other triangles will not have two altitudes. Of course, from different vertices, if you draw, you will be getting. But here, what they are saying, two altitudes are of its sides only. But for other triangles, when you draw the altitudes, they will get at the center. You don't get it on the sides. But only for a right angle triangle, AB can be considered as altitude of BC. BC can be considered as altitude of AB. So what is the triangle? It is a right angled triangle. So this should be your answer, children. Right angled triangle it is. Okay. Now let us go to the third problem. What is the third problem? Does median always lies interior to the triangle? Triangle median always lies interior. Yes. Why do you call S? Even if it is isosceles triangle at the center line, obtuse angle triangle also, middle point you will be getting. Equilateral triangle, see if it is an isosceles triangle, this is an isosceles triangle, median lies here like this. And if it is an equilateral triangle also, the median lies inside. If it is an obtuse angled triangle also, median lies inside only. Only the thing is, if it is altitude, the median altitude lies outside. But as far as median is concerned, it will be always inside of a triangle. Okay. Now the next one, fourth one, does altitude does altitude always lies interior to the triangle? We will say no, because for an isosceles triangle, altitude is like this. For an equilateral triangle also, altitude is inside, but for an obtuse angled triangle, altitude goes outside. So we will say that it is not a correct answer. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Fifth one. Fifth one, I have to draw the triangle, children. You just to copy it. Afterwards, I'll be doing this fifth problem. Please copy. Now, let us see the fifth one. Fifth problem is, you have got triangle XYZ. Let me draw a triangle XYZ. So the question is, first write the side opposite to vertex y in triangle XYZ. This is the question. See children, opposite to vertex y. This is vertex y. For this, what is opposite side? XZ. So what is the answer? I am writing answers here. So the first one is XZ is the answer for this problem. Now, what is the second bit? The second bit is, write the angle opposite to PQ. Write the angle opposite to PQ line. PQ line means, this is the figure of first one, PQ in triangle PQR. So for the second bit, I should draw another triangle. This is triangle PQR. For this, write the angle opposite to PQ. PQ is this side, no? Angle opposite to PQ is, this is angle R. This is the answer for the second bit, children. And the third bit says, write the vertex opposite to triangle, opposite to side AC. Right? The vertex opposite to. Write the vertex opposite to the side. Write the vertex opposite to the side AC in triangle ABC. So, third figure, you have got another triangle ABC. What is that triangle? Vertex opposite to AC. This is AC. Vertex opposite to AC. Vertex means this point, children. Angle means angle R, we said. Vertex means it is nothing but B. Okay, children. So these are the answers. This angle R can be written as angle PRQ or angle QRP or angle R. Earlier I said how you need to name an angle. So accordingly I have written this as angle R. So with this I have completed second part, second exercise. Next one in the remaining one in the next class.